Hey guys, LechK here. Quick video how to install a rear diffuser on a Dodge Charger 2015 or 2016 through 2023 models. This is a 2023 GT right here, and we got a diffuser. They go anywhere from like 60 to 100 bucks. If you spending anything more, you are overpaying. It's just a piece of plastic. We're doing the flat black. I'm gonna get under there, show you guys what you gotta remove and how to install it. You're gonna need a 7mm socket and some pry tools to remove clips, and that should be it. Let's give it a go. So removal of the old one is pretty simple. I'm gonna get under here. You're gonna see 1, 2, 3, 4 7mm bolts and a clip on each end right here by the exhaust pipe. So we gotta pop this guy off. First lift it with the flathead screwdriver, and then you just slide this out. Okay. I'm gonna pull it out a little more, so basically this doesn't come apart, and then you can easily pop it off. So that's that. I'm gonna pop up the other side, unscrew these. Good. And that's all the bolts. Now the fun stuff, we gotta pop it off your bumper, and it's gonna feel like the bumper is very flexible, flimsy, which it is, but you just gotta give it a nice, gentle, strong pull, and you gotta pop off all these tabs that are sitting there. Let me show you what I mean. So we're basically popping these tabs out. So let's give it a go. There you go. So it's not as bad as I thought. I'm gonna clean all this up. First thing we're gonna do is line these up. Make sure what you got fits, which looks like we're gonna be okay. So that's a good sign. A little difference of the old and the new. I think it's gonna be a nice upgrade. Alright, now we just installed a new one. So we're gonna start with these top clips. Let me show you guys. Alex, show here. There's holes for them, so basically gotta line it up. So we're gonna start with our first one over here on the curve. Like that. Line this up. Pop it in, and go one by one. You're gonna just hear a slight snap, nothing crazy. Alright, edge here. Good sign, everything's lining up. That's that. Let's bolt it down. Put these clips on. So this is what you want to do actually when you take these off. Pop it up fully so this can fully compress and easily slide out, not struggle like I did. But now we just slide this one in and pop this right in. Get the bolts on. Once you feel opposition, just give it maybe another half turn and it's good. Don't over tighten it. It's all plastic. And you are kind of wedging it against this so you can get your bolt, and it will settle after. One more. this one over here. And we are done. Here's the final look, guys. Definitely a lot more aggressive. Looks really cool. Plenty of clearance for the exhaust pipes. Unless you have aftermarket tips, you might have an issue. But otherwise, clean finish just like stock. Really like it. Thanks for watching. Check out all other how-to videos on this car, other cars, house stuff, and much more. Thank you, guys.